Gounder full automatic egg roll wafer production line. Cone machine series. Efficient mixing of raw materials. Blade design shortens mixing time. Fine grinding of steel balls. Grind filling to fine smoothness. Smooth batter delivery. Precise filling injection. Baking jar rolling wafer wrappers. Ensure uniform thickness of the roll. Stable wafer roll quality. Wafer roll stick length is adjustable. Cooling and conveying wafer rolls. Maintains wafer roll shape and texture. Applicable products. Technology. Efficiency. Reliability.